meow. Meow meow. Say meow meow. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video is another product review, guys, and the product that I'm going to review is this one. It is a mascara, L'Oreal Paris, and it is Lash Paradise Mascara. And I'm just going to quickly talk about the package, guys. So it comes in a nice package, nicely colored package, and when you open it, guys, it looks like this. It kind of looks fancy, guys. It looks nice. So I tried this one like 2 times. That's why I'm making a review about this one. I have a long, dark, and thick lashes, guys, as you can see here. Not put anything yet. This is my lashes. So, yeah. Take a closer look. Oh yeah, minus this breakout, guys. I always have breakout. I don't know why, and I cannot explain it why. I cannot prevent my breakout, guys. So yeah. So I'm going to show you now how I put the mascara. How I put the mascara, guys. And this is the bristles, the brush bristles. It looks soft, as you can see here. Flexible also. It has lots of brushes, as you can see. As you can see if you take a closer look. I'm going to apply it now, guys, so you can see. This side have mascara on, and this one don't have. Can you see the difference? This side is more thick, and this one is just my natural lashes. I'm going to put on in both sides, guys, so you can see more. I'm going to show you guys. So it gives more volume to my natural lashes, guys. As you can see, the length is so long, and my lashes look so thick as of the moment. So it gives more volume to my natural lashes, and I cannot see any clump as of the moment, and it holds the curls of my natural lashes, guys, as you can see. I mean, it doesn't feel heavy to the eyes, guys, as you can see. And I'm going to show you also when the other days where I put it, and how long it lasts, guys. So in here, guys, was my first day using the mascara, and I don't feel any clumps, and it makes my lashes so volume. So what I like about this mascara, guys, is it is inexpensive. It only costs like around $17 and 14 euros, guys. So it's kind of affordable, and it also will last you long. Plus, and it builds volume, as you can see. It gives more volume to my lashes. Plus, it keeps my lashes soft. It doesn't feel like heavy. Plus, the brush, guys, is soft. And when you apply this one in your lashes, you will feel that the brush is soft, flexible, and fluffy, and it gives you a fan out effect. It's on easily and evenly to your lashes. Just a single application. Because I only applied once, guys. I don't want to make it double. But if you want to make your lashes more volumized, or more like looking thicker, you can apply two coats, guys. But I only applied once, so it doesn't look so much. So I still want it to look more natural, guys. This gives me full lash, guys, as you can see, even though I only applied 1 coat. Yeah, what else can I say about this product? And also, it doesn't clump, guys. It doesn't give you a flaky feeling. And when I hold it, guys, as you can see, and it easily dried up, guys. And plus, it is waterproof, so you don't have to worry if it's raining. I tried it also when I went outside, and it was kind of raining and did not affect my lashes at all. So you don't have to worry if you will get a black in your face if it's raining, because it's waterproof. Even though it is waterproof, guys, when at night it can easily be removed. When I wash my face, I was even worried that it will be so thick, it will take longer to remove, but no. I easily take it off with just water and soap, guys. So you don't have to worry about destroying your lashes, because this mascara is easily removed. And for me, guys, it doesn't disappoint me because it's not heavy in the eyes. And it feels like so soft my eyes. It feels like I don't have mascara on. So I would highly recommend this one, guys. And when it's empty, I would definitely purchase this one again. So that's it for today, guys. I hope this product review helps you if ever you want to use this L'Oreal Paradise Mascara. And please let me know in the comment section below, guys, if you have tried this one. And I also have another mascara review, guys. I'll put it down in the description below or here. Please watch it. Please check it out also, guys. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helps you, and I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. And please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And click the notification bell so you'll get updated every time I have a new upload, guys. So have a great mascara day, everyone. Meow meow. Bye.